I haven't thought about this story in many years, but it always finds a way back to me. A lot of things remind me of my childhood and how I've changed with the world around me. It was hard to start a new life after losing everything, especially your father. When I saw Hotel Tito for the first time, I quickly understood our life had become difficult. When I said goodbye to my father, I said goodbye to my childhood. These jeans remind me of a good time at Hotel Tito. All of my friends had the same pair, and it was the only thing that united us. Apart from being refugees, it gave us a feeling of normality. I remember my brother writing to the ministry. Words from these letters are printed in my mind. I knew it wouldn't help us get a flat, but I just wanted us to have hope. We wouldn't have survived without it. All of us had a different escape route from reality. Mine was listening to music. Going out to disco with my friends gave me the impression of a normal teenage life. At that time, I really needed that. It has always been with me. Then you can't truly enjoy the present day. You are concerned all the time, even if nothing happens.
I don't want to hear stories like mine ever again.